going bananas. So we want to go check out and see why Frank is going bananas. So come on, let's go. Okay.
Comedic husband and wife duo David and Tamala Mann caused quite a stir at Arawak Key on the weekend. The stars of Tyler Perry's Meet the Browns visited downtown Nassau's newest dining and entertainment experience, Frankie Gone Bananas, to shoot one of the first episodes of their new international cooking show, Hanging with the Manns. Hanging with the Manns is the latest television adventure produced by longtime Tyler Perry collaborator Roger Bobb. The global cooking and lifestyle show features this popular couple at several locations throughout Nassau, capped off with a cooking demonstration at Frankie Gone Bananas.
We're thinking about favorite places. They say, hey, we got to go to the Bahamas. Why the Bahamas? Well, first of all, we came in before and they were great to us. When we came here, we came to the fish fry. We had great food, great time. You can hear the music playing in the background. It's a festive place. It's one of our favorite places in the world. We shot Why Did I Get Married here in Eleuthera. And so we just came back to the Bahamas, to the island of Nassau to shoot our show.
Roger Bobb is also the lead producer on Meet the Browns. During the demonstration of authentically Bahamian cuisine, the Manns were guided by Frankie Gone Bananas' internationally renowned culinary artist, Chef Edwin Johnson, who showed them how to notch up minced lobster tails and pan-fried red snapper.
It's a pleasure to have Frankie Gone Bananas involved with it. It gives us an opportunity to expose cuisine of the Bahamas as well as what we offer here at Frankie Gone Bananas.
The Bahamas was chosen as a location for the shoot, following talks with Mount Tabor Baptist Bishop Neil Ellis and Film Commissioner Craig Woods, and they both agree. The show is a win-win for the Bahamas as it will air in key tourism markets.
People who did the show felt that the experience at Frankie's Gone Bananas was incredible. And I understand it may take the bigger part of the show.
It's starting to get cold, and in those markets we think this show will have a tremendous impact when people are watching the show on the Cooking Channel and some of the Food Network, watching the wonderful vistas of the beaches and conch salad and peas and rice and all the wonderful Bahamian dishes that we know and love down here.
Hanging with the Manns makes its worldwide television debut in November. With your ZNS News, I report, I'm Giovanni Stewart.